and I couldn't really find a job, and then I ran out of money.
Fuck.
So then I answered an ad for a dancers ad on Craigslist, but it happened to be a rest. So like this lady called me, she's like, "Hey, you responded to this ad for dancers, but it's actually for wrestling."
Is this the oily
Yeah,
wrestling?
it's actually for wrestling, but we use dancers because we can train them really fast because they're able to. It's like choreography. It's like WWE.
Oh, I got you. So this was
So
choreographed wrestling.
Yeah, it's like WWE. We just happen to be in oil.
Okay, and
but
here
we
you
are wrestling. We are like doing these stunts. I'm like climbing on shit and like jumping up in the air and slamming on the girl in the middle of the ring. Like we were doing crazy shit. So they use dancers because they're athletic. Yeah. They can pick up choreography fast and they're tough. You know what I mean?
And here you are. You've moved to LA. You just ran out of the money that you saved.
Yeah.
And you're like, fuck, I need something.
So she was like, I know this is weird, but we're in oh my God, Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras.
Where's the Mardi Gras? New Orleans. We're in New Orleans, and one of the dancers had an emergency, had to leave, and one of the wrestlers had an emergency, and we have to leave, and we need a wrestler.
Yeah.
We will fly you. I've never met them. She's just like on the phone, and she's like, she has a really thick accent, like a southern. She's like, all right, we will send you. We will bring you over here. Everything's safe. I'm Mama. Her name was Mama. Her name is not Mama, but they called her Mama. And I'll pick you up, and everything's gonna be fine. And I was like, I looked at my boyfriend, and I was like, fuck it. So they sent me a ticket, and I got on a plane, and I went to New Orleans, and Mama picked me up, and that started going on tour, and they trained me on tour.
Like you went all over the country oil wrestling.
Yeah. So we do tours, like 2-week tours, 1-week tour, all around the Midwest, like Texas and Oklahoma and all the like farmer towns and the bars, and like it was a thing.
Was it like WWE where it was like super like soap opera, like you kissed my girl?
Kinda. It didn't have. It was more like they introduced us, and we have like these characters, kind of like WWE, you know. But it's more like, hi, I'm cute, and then we wrestle. When we wrestle, that's when the drama comes in, because like we would like with the referee, like something happened, the referee do a call, we're like, fuck you, referee, you know what I mean? Like that's when those antics would come into play.
Sure.
More something like we're cute, but then we're like beating each other up.
Yeah. Gotcha.
So crazy, I know.
So okay, how long did you do this?
I did this for like a year, but like not.
Just
it was on and off.
The country.
I would like go for 2 weeks, come back for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Or go for a week and come back for a month.
Yeah.
Money depends on shows, how much we made, and I did that until I was like, okay, I'm never in LA, and I came to LA to be an actress, so I just need to stop wrestling.
Yeah.
Did for like 6 months, I think.
6 months, yeah.
I need to stop wrestling and like just be in LA. So then